In the truck.
Woo! Hi, YouTube!
Are you on video?
Yeah!
Hi guys!
What is up? And look at the fireworks! Look!
So awesome guys, right?
Stop! You're ruining it!
That was too funny.
Woo! That's just so fun!
So awesome!
Yahoo! Woo!
That looks like that firework to be straight, doesn't it?
You stop bouncing. You're making the camera
See
bounce.
that gold one? That looks like straight, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Guys, maybe thinking why we're far away. It's because we want to watch. It's because my mum didn't want to bring Keen's the brother Riley to the fireworks.
Shush! It's just because Riley will be a bit scared.
Yeah,
He's only a month.
and cold.
Woo! That looks like a pretzel. Can you hear me from over there?
It's so good! Turn down for what?
Ow! Wait, why is the Titanic music on?
What's that?
This is Titanic music.
Titanic?
Yeah, why do you have Titanic music on?
Meh, who cares? Because it's every day, bro!
No, it's not.
Yes, it
It's
is.
every night. It's something new. Ow!
Who the hell is
You, and you know I get enough EV8 with the crew. Yeah, I'm talking about you begging for attention, talking shit on Twitter too. But you know you hit my phone, set it was for too. But I text approved, don't baby tell them true. I just trust me much from my good God church. My house where I'm from, which one can gum. Like it's gum.
I see you!
No, shush! I have to have a dramatic key moment.
I know you always love yourself.